Pag-usapan natin yung 3 major financial needs na natutunan ko mula sa librong ito. Una is income protection or life insurance. This will protect your family if you die too soon. At binanggit din dito yung mga purpose ng life insurance. Income replacement, help finance your children's education, pay estate tax, pay debts instantly. Siyempre, tayong mga breadwinner, kaya tayo kumukuha ng life insurance dahil kung wala pa tayong sapat na ipon or malaking ipon, itong proceed na marireceive ng ating pamilya kung sakaling may mangyayari sa atin, ang makakatulong sa kanila para maging instant savings to. And then pangalawa, investment. This is the answer if you live too long. Lahat tayo kailangan natin ng passive income or continuing income kapag tayo ay nag-retire na. And of course, pangatlo, long-term healthcare. This is the answer